So your check hybrid system light is on, you're hearing a loud drone from the engine and a high-pitched whine from the back. You're asking what, exactly, your car is trying to tell you. Well, it's telling you the hybrid system has a significant fault and has put the car into a fail-safe, or limp mode. You need to pull over as soon as it's safe because those noises are direct signs of some major stress on the powertrain. Continuing to drive is a really bad idea. Let's start with that drone coming from up front. That's your gasoline engine running constantly at a high RPM, usually somewhere between 2,500 and 4,000. Normally, the gas engine and electric motors work together, but in limp mode, the electric drive is pretty much offline. The car's transmission, it's a special planetary gear set in most of these hybrids, is now forcing that engine to do all the work by itself. It has to hold that high RPM just to keep the car moving at all, even when you aren't accelerating. So that sound isn't power, it's the sound of an engine being strained to its limit because it's lost its electric partner. Now, for that high-pitched whining noise from the back, that's the hybrid battery's cooling fan, and it's spinning at maximum speed. That fan's only job is to pull air over the battery pack to keep it from overheating. When you hear it running at full blast like that, it's a clear signal the battery is getting dangerously hot. This could be from an internal problem, like a failing cell or a module imbalance, which often throws a code like P0A80. A hot battery is a battery that's getting damaged. The whine just means the cooling system is trying its best, but it's really struggling to keep up with the heat being generated. It's a definite red flag. So, what do? The very first thing is to pull over safely and shut the car off. Don't try to push it a few more miles to get home or to the shop. The longer that engine drones and the fan whines, the higher the risk of turning a repairable problem into something much worse. Every minute of driving in this state increases the odds of permanent damage. Once you're stopped, you can do a quick visual check of the hybrid battery air intake vent. It's usually a small grill on the side of or just below the rear seat cushion. You know, people often block it by accident with bags, coats, or even floor mats. If that vent is clogged with pet hair or debris, the fan can't pull in cool air. Sometimes just clearing that blockage can help, though you'll still need to address the underlying fault code. The most important step, though, is to get the car scanned for diagnostic trouble codes. A basic code reader can pull these. Look for that P0A80, which points to the battery pack itself. Another common one is a P0A93, which indicates a fault in the inverter or the inverter's own cooling system. The code tells you exactly where the failure is. Don't just guess. And whatever you do not just restart the car and hope the light stays off. If those noises suddenly stop, it doesn't mean the problem fixed itself. It more likely means a critical component, like the battery fan or the inverter coolant pump, has failed completely. At that point, the system is defenseless against heat, and you're not just risking damage, you're risking getting stranded. Ignoring a P0A93 can damage the inverter, a component that can cost thousands to replace. Letting the battery cook itself can lead to permanent cell damage and a full battery pack replacement. So that drone is your engine running alone, and that whine is your battery fan fighting a losing battle with heat. Get it scanned before you do anything else.